Today's lesson is about comparative and superlative adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun, a place, a thing, an animal, or a person. Let's make some sentences with adjectives. Chocolate is delicious. That's a stinky sock. The ball is big. I feel angry today. When we compare two nouns, we use comparative adjectives. And there are 3 basic rules to do this. Rule number 1. If the adjective has only one syllable, how do you count a syllable? Use your hands and clap. Tall, short, relaxing, intelligent, big. Rule number 1. If the adjective has only one syllable, we add er or r. For example, tall, taller, brave, braver. Double consonant if the one-syllable adjective has a consonant, vowel, consonant, like big, B consonant, I vowel, G consonant. Now you have to double the G. Big, bigger. Rule number 2. When the adjective has 2 syllables but it ends in Y, you take out the Y and you add IER. For example, crazy, crazier. For other adjectives with 2 or more syllables, we add more. Relaxing, more relaxing. To make sentences with comparative adjectives, you have to add the word than. Let's make some sentences. He is taller than her. She looks happier than him. Science is more difficult than maths. What do you think? When we want to say which noun is at the top in a group, we use superlative adjectives, and we have to add the in front of them. There are also 3 basic rules. Rule number 1. If the adjective only has one syllable, we add est or st. Tall, the tallest. Dark, the darkest. Remember to double the consonant if the one-syllable adjective has a consonant, vowel, consonant. Sad, the saddest, with a double D. Rule number 2. If the adjective has 2 syllables but it ends in a Y, we take out the Y and we add IEST. Dirty, the dirtiest. Rule number 3. For other adjectives of 2 or more syllables, we add the most in front of them. Let's look at some sentences with superlative adjectives. A snail is the slowest animal I know. Olivia thinks the sunflower is the prettiest flower in the world. The most dangerous animal of all is the Nile crocodile. Let me tell you about 3 adjectives that are special because they don't follow the rules. They are irregular. They do whatever they want. Good. Gooder? No. Better. The goodest? No. The best. Bad. Badder? No. Worse. The worst. Far. Farther. The farthest. You got it? And that's all for special adjectives and for comparative and superlative adjectives. See you later, alligator. English without